Hello COM-FSM! Today we are going to explore MyShark. Okay, so are we going to get to MyShark? First, open a web browser and go to comfsm.fm or the college website. On the left upper corner, under Quick Access drop-down, click on MyShark, and then you will be directed to the MyShark page. On the left side, you can see their login name and password. Your login name is your email address from the college, and your password is the same as the password of your college email address. Go ahead and enter that. Press enter, and you will be directed to your MyShark page. On the right side, this is where you can see all the email messages that you received. At the center, you can see the name of your academic advisor, your financial aid status, and also the college news feeds. On the left side, this is where you have available sections, online registration, class schedule, grades, degree completion, online transcript, receivable account, address, change, password. Now we'll try available sections. Available sections shows the sections that are available, for example, summer 2020. Click on that. You can see all the sections or courses that are offered in summer 2020. Online registration. This is where you register online. Class schedule. This is where you can see your schedule for the semester. For example, 2020.2, you haven't registered yet, so no class schedule is showing. Grades. This shows your grades for all the semester that you have registered. So you only have 2. 2020.1, it's showing 1 class withdrawn in spring 2020. Degree completion. This is where you can see all the general education courses or the major courses that are required for your program. For example, AS in Business Administration. These are the courses that are required for you to take or to complete in order to be eligible to graduate with the program. Now, if you click on the courses, if it says no sections, that means it's not offered for the semester. Okay, we clicked on View 101. It's showing that there is a section offered, but the class is already full. No seats available. Clicked on MS 150. There's 2 sections available and 1 seat and 15 seats available. So you can register for that course because it's available for the semester. Now, on the upper portion of the degree completion, we have there, it says credits unmet, 64, incomplete. That means you have still 64 credits to complete your program. Okay, so that's degree completion. Online transcript is where you can see your grades from all the previous semester that you have attended. Receivable account, this is where you can check if what were charged to you, if you received already your Pell scholarship, or if you have refund. change your password, enter your current password, your new password, and click submit. If you do this, this will change the password that you'll be using for your email address, MyShark, and Schoology. So that's it. That's MyShark. Enjoy exploring and good luck.